Oh hey Bob Shark, can you give me some cookies? I'm really hungry. Bob Shark, you know those big bag of cookies, really? Well, anyways, I'm lazy. I don't want to do a filming today. Can you go and take care of that, please? Thank you. I don't think that's what they want. I don't think we're supposed to smash the prize. Just go away. I'm trying to sleep and eat my cookie here, okay? Go. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Hello, hello, hello. How's it going, guys? It's Nathan here. I'm super excited because we got an awesome product review coming up right now. Let's check it out. Let's check out the product review. Okay, I'm gonna have to find my editor. Hold on one second. Alright, I yelled at my editor. We're gonna try this one more time. Craziness, what is this, guys? Whoa, another stick vacuum that's upside down. That's craziness. Alright, so this is the Dreame T10. I did do a video of the V10 and a lot of people liked it, so let's check out the T10 and see what it's all about. And right off the bat, I really like this colorful box. You know how I am with colorful boxes. Yes, check this out, guys. Very similar to the V10. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. And in this video, we'll do the unboxing, we'll do the cleaning challenge, and we'll see how I like this guy. See if there's any improvements, or what's the difference between the T10 and V10 vacuum. Alright, let's get started. Tape, it's so hard. I should probably bring a knife on this video, but I got lazy, so I'll just try to use my fingernails. Come on, tape. Ugh. It's like trying to peel off paint or something. It's impossible. Alright, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! I just smacked myself in the face as always. Whoa, I'm just dropping everything here. There goes the instructions, so good job. The instructions just go away. I know you guys want to see the instructions, so here you go. Here's the quick start guide. Hope you guys can see that. My camera just does not like me today. But the cool accessories right there. Okay, let's get that out of the way. I love them. I like to read them when I go to bed. So, sweet. And I really like the fact they give you this little helpful guide to get the base hooked up. So it really makes it easy to install the base under the drywall. So very, very cool. Good job, Dreame. Okay, let's go and keep going here. So we got this box, we got that box, we got that box. So let's just check out the boxes here. Let's kind of open them up here. Get that out of the box. That's not the cleanest unboxing. Alright, let's get this thing out of here. Come on, do that. Get out of here. Alright. Stick thingies. Get that out of there. Cool, we got a little wand here. So yes, go around the crevices and clean up all those dust mites. Cool. And it has like a little push button to easily remove the tool. Get that out of there. It's like a little hosey thing. Woo! Wow, I just have so much fun just doing this all day long. It's like a slinky. Wow, look how long it gets. Sweet. Yeah, okay, I gotta stop doing that. Alright, let's keep going. Let's... Whoa! Woo! I almost dropped it. Okay, let's see what's in here. It seems like the Dreame T10 comes with a lot of great accessories. You got your crevice tool. You got, I think, what is this? Something very, very nice. And look, we got a little power brick. Yep, we can have like a seeing contest. Yep, sweet. So, good job, Dreame. I like the fact they come with the big motorized head and a little mini one. Whoa, check this out, guys. It's really cool. We got the extractor bar here. Looks like it has the bristles and it has some kind of like hard silicone. So we'll see how well the extractor bar does. You got a swivel head right here. Very, very nice. Got some nice wheels. And this is the exhaust vent for the motor. So very, very cool. And you can see the little power pins right there. Cool. Alright, let's get to the good part, the actual vacuum itself. Huh, interesting. So, let's see, what's this thing? Look at this doodad. Okay, so here's a few things I noticed about the Dreame T10 over the V10 is the removable battery. That's something that I was complaining about. So luckily it comes with a removable battery. So just kind of push this button and it makes it really easy to swap out batteries. So to increase the runtime also, in case the battery goes out, you can actually replace the battery and not have to replace the entire unit. Okay, so another feature is the trigger. On the previous model, I had to hold it in. And then the moment I let go, it would just stop. Some people like the fact that if you hold the trigger and let go, it would continue going on. Now you have the option with this little lock button. See? And if I press again, it holds it. So that's a really nice addition. And then again, you got that same design with the 3 simple toggles right there. So the interface is super simple and it's easy to use. So good job. So everything else looks very similar. Same design, logo. With the previous model has the same dustbin design. I really like the simple press button to empty out the dustbin. It makes it super simple. And I found that the emptying was super easy. So good job, Dreame, for improving these features. The last thing we have is the actual mounting system. So it's very similar to the V10. And it's super simple to mount up. And then you also get some mounting screws, the drywall screws, and some actual screws to mount up. Simple. Okay, let's go get this charged up and we'll see how well the Dreame T10 does. Well, I want to give a big old shout out to Bob Shark. He's been a great little helper. Unlike the roll-up vacuums I have, they just sit there and do nothing. But Bob Shark is definitely handy with his little gripper. And he helps set me up the clean challenges. And we'll see how well the Dreame T10 does. With Bob Shark's advanced camera system, Bob Shark can accurately put down some dirt and debris for this challenge. So for the challenge, we're going to have the Dreame T10 set on its max power mode, and we'll see if it can pick up the sand off the tile. Okay, let's go ahead and up the challenge. We're going to go ahead and rub in some sand in my medium profile carpet. Now this stick vacuum is fairly powerful at 1700 pascals. Also, I felt like the extractor bar head did a fairly good job with the powder because it sits pretty low to the ground. So this provides optimal suction. So it shouldn't have any problems picking up the sand out of this medium profile carpet. When running the stick vacuum on its max power mode with the motorized head, expect about 8 to 12 minutes. Now if you're using like a suction only tool, you get a lot longer battery life. I believe the max battery life is around 58 minutes. Okay, so here's where the motorized head starts to struggle since it sits so low to the ground. There's no way to actually increase the height, so with larger dirt and debris, it may start pushing around. As you can see, it kind of throws around the dirt and debris. So hopefully in future models, they'll add ability to maybe adjust the motorized head to different heights, so you can accommodate these type of debris. Okay, now we have Skittles, and you can clearly see that I didn't pick up any of the Skittles, just kind of push them off to the side there. So what I'd recommend is getting the actual suction only tools to pick up the larger dirt and debris. Okay, let's go through the same challenge with the hardwood floors. So it looks like it did fine with the powder challenge or the sand challenge. Now we're going to go ahead and see if it can pick up the colorful cereal. And it looks like it's just kind of pushing it around there, not really picking it up. So again, my recommendation is to get the suction only tool because it really does well picking up all this type of debris if the motorized head doesn't get it. Well, with all these cleaning challenges, I tend to leave a mess. I do try to pick up everything before the wife comes home, but the wife knows exactly what I've done and she can spot out a speck a mile away. I don't know how she does it, she just does. So, luckily Bob Shark has advanced camera systems that can accurately detect where he needs to clean and where he missed. So, hopefully the wife isn't going to yell at me. The T10 comes with a lot of great accessories, especially that mini motorized head. Great for the car so you can pick up after your child. Well, if you have sliding doors in your house and they're not really shutting properly or it's kind of hard to shut, well, take a look at the tracks. You may have some dirt and debris trapped in there, which prevents them from sliding smoothly. So take your crevice tool and just go along the track there and suck out all those dust mites. I don't know why, but it seems like these types of doors track a lot of dust and debris. Okay, so once you're done with the cleaning job, all you have to do is just click on this little lever there and the canister separates from the main body. Makes it a little bit easier to carry to your trash can. And with a single press of the button, all that dirt material flops down in your trash can. Well, Dreame thought of everything. You also get a nice little carrying handle to carry your little dustbin around. Whoa, what a crazy long video. I do apologize for the long video, but if you stuck with me till the end, I appreciate it. And I'll give you my final thoughts on the Dreame T10 and what I thought about the pros and cons. Alright, so first let's compare it to the original model I got, the V10. I felt like it's a pretty good upgrade, especially having the ability to remove the battery. That's something I complained about on the old model. Also, I do appreciate the lockable trigger. That's something that the V10 didn't have, so that's something that a lot of users like, is being able to press the trigger once and the roller vacuum will continue to run until you press the trigger again. Okay, so for the interface, I felt like it's a little too simple. Even though I appreciate the simple interface, I think they should add like a little display to let you know about the runtime or how much battery remaining. That's something that they should include in the next model. Okay, so I do like the fact that it comes with 2 motorized heads. I felt that the motorized heads were pretty good on like hardwood floors and carpet. It did a really good job picking up a lot of dirt and debris. Now the large dirt debris like Skittles and larger bits, it did struggle with since the extractor head sits so low to the ground. There's still a way to actually increase the height, so maybe they can work on that in the future. Okay, so for the T10, I appreciate all the accessories it comes with, like the crevice tool, this tool, I don't know the name of it, but it really does good on couches. And you do have adjustable wand. Unfortunately, you can't use the power tools for the adjustable wand. This is only designed for the suction only tools. And lastly, you do have the mini adjustable head. So for the value, the T10 does come with a lot of great accessories, and I think it's a great stick vacuum for like the apartment or for like a easy to grab stick vacuum if you have a quick cleaning challenge and you don't want to have to lug around your upright vacuum. Alright, so if you like this type of video, please give me a great big thumbs up. It does help out the video. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nathan. I do a lot of cleaning challenges, head to heads. I get a lot of great products on this channel. I do a lot of roll-up vacuums. I do stick vacuums, air purifiers. I'm getting some new products that are a little bit different from outside the scope of this channel, but I'm excited to try out those products as well, so stay tuned if you want to see some cool different products. Alright, you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys next time, and be safe out there, and happy 2021 and beyond. See you later.